is always a debate around if vegetable juices are better or smoothies are better. There's a fundamental difference between the two. In a smoothie, you get the pulp also, that means you get a lot of fiber, which will help in digestion, the bowel movement, and also the fiber makes you feel fuller. You'll get to eat less but have a fuller feeling. That's an advantage of a smoothie. But the primary advantage of juice is that it is a rich extract of the nutrients. For the bowel movement or whatever, you do not require a lot of fiber. What is important is getting some fiber every day. Many people are not comfortable taking smoothies in their raw form, but most people will be comfortable taking juices. Here is one that we will be making today with the bottle gourd. We will see how to make that. For making the juice, we don't have to cut the bottle gourd into small pieces. Anything that the unit can consume is good enough. I just remove the top and bottom ends, and also there is no need to remove the skin completely because it will be juiced, and some amount of nutrients which are usually richer in the skin, actually I don't want to lose them fully. But at the same time, I am aware that there could be chemicals and pesticides more on the skin than inside. So I would remove some amount of skin but not completely. I would roughly cut them into so much sizes that it can fit into my juicer. I'll also cut and keep ready some lemon for juicing later. If you are enjoying the video, can you please click on the like button? I am adding a pinch of ginger also. Squeeze in the lemon here itself. Vegetables are very low in calories. They don't provide a lot of energy. They provide a lot of other nutrients which are useful for the body. Both to make it tastier as well as to give some energy, I usually add some honey also to the juices. If you do not like honey, you could add dates, soft dates, after soaking them sufficiently, and include it in the juicer. I am also adding some basil seeds, which will give me a little bit of fuller feeling. What is good about this? Why are we making this drink? It helps urinary tract issues of several kinds. So it is an excellent drink if someone is having any kind of urinary issues. It controls blood pressure in a big way, and those with hypertension will be benefited a lot. It provides some immediate energy through honey, although it is not a lot, but creates some immediate energy. It will cool the body significantly because of the basil seeds that we have added, and is often used during summer. All in all, this is a high nutrition, high in vitamin C thanks to the lemon, and a decent energy drink, something to have fresh in the morning and feel fresher to start the day in a good way. What are the best times to take this drink? It is good to have any kind of juices with empty stomach. So ideally this should be your first drink. But if for some reason you cannot make it as a first drink, you can make it any time during the day, including for dinner time, but just make sure that you do not consume anything at least for 1 hour before and at least for half an hour afterwards. How do we store this? How long can it stay? Now, any kind of juices will start having oxidation when exposed to air immediately. The nutrition is there in the vegetable as long as the skin is there and it is protected. The moment you have cut it, the moment you have juiced it, the chances of oxidation are substantially higher. Therefore, it is not a good idea to consume drinks stored in the refrigerator and consumed later throughout the day. That's not a good idea. Tasting time. Let me see how the taste is. Nice. The lime is strong. I could have reduced half a piece. Touch of basil seeds. Produce is not much out of the bottle gourd. Half of this I have given to my wife, so this is the rest of the half. So together I think it is something like 350 ml or so, which is not a lot for a whole bottle gourd. Now we can easily consume 500 ml of juice. That means we are looking at one full bottle gourd and another half of it or a little more. Now imagine being able to eat so much of vegetable in one go. You will never be able to do that. That is the single most advantage of juices. You will get very rich nutrients in a small quantity of juice that you would otherwise miss if you are taking only smoothies. So the best thing is to have some juices daily, if not daily, at least on alternate days, and ensure that there are some fibers in your diet otherwise. I hope you enjoyed watching this. You could make several other juices such as this. This is a single vegetable juice and we could happily add more vegetables and make it more merrier. Thank you for watching. Thanks for your time. Please click whether you disliked it or liked it. Anything is better than none. Send your comments as well. I post several videos. You may like at least some of them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also click on the notification bell. Oh yeah, it's quite good. Very nice indeed.